Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit your comments in Google Docs. So if you're working in any Google documents guys and you want to edit your comment, it's very easy to do. You just want to go ahead and find the comment in the document. Let's say I want to edit the section that says this is done. Let's say it's not true. I need to solve something or it's still in progress. Just go ahead and hover over it, and you can go ahead and you can simply click the three dots here towards the right hand side of the comment, and you'll find the edit button. Click on that and you can go ahead and you can just say whatever you want. So you can go ahead and you can say this is still in progress, and you just basically click save again, and that's how you update or edit your comments in Google Docs. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.